and volume using formula. In this film we're going to learn how to calculate the area, perimeter and volume of simple shapes using formula. Formula means to use letters to represent quantities. It's a form of algebra. First let's look at area. The area of any rectangle is calculated by multiplying the length by the width. Width is sometimes referred to as breadth. When calculating the area, you must have all of your measurements written in the same units of measurement. In this example, we show our measurements in metres. If the width was shown in centimetres, 400 centimetres for example, you must convert it to metres before you work your sum, or convert 5 metres into 500 centimetres. Don't ever work with mixed units. Imagine that you're measuring a room for a new carpet. It always helps to draw yourself a diagram. The room measures 5 metres by 4 metres, and to calculate the area we say 5 times 4 equals 20. You would write the answer as 20 metres squared, as area is always measured in square units. To represent that, you write a very small 2 at the end of your sum. As a formula, this calculation would be written as A for area equals L for length and W for width, or B for breadth, if that is how your wording is. This simply means A for area equals length times width. You don't have to show the multiplication sign between the two letters. Now let's take a look at perimeter. The perimeter of an object is the distance all the way around the sides of the shape. For example, if you wanted to purchase a new skirting board for a room, you would need to work out how much you needed by calculating the perimeter of the room. Again, draw yourself a diagram if it helps. In this example, we have a rectangular shape measuring 5 metres by 4 metres by 5 metres by 4 metres. Notice that once again all of our measurements are shown in metres. To work out the perimeter, you would simply add together all of these measurements. Perimeter equals length plus width plus width. So the perimeter equals 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4, which comes to a total of 18 metres. As a formula, the sum would be written as P for perimeter equals 2L, that means 2 times L, or 2 times the length, plus 2 times the width. If you were to use brackets, as we discussed when we covered BODMAS, you would write P for perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. That means add your length and your width together and then multiply by 2. Finally, in this film we're going to look at volume. Volume is a measurement of the space taken up by an object. Houses, bricks, boxes, cars, even we have a measurement of volume. In this example we will calculate the volume of a rectangular prism or cuboid. To put it simply, it's the volume of a box. Our box measures 5 metres by 2 metres by 4 metres. If we multiply those together we get an answer of 40 metres. Length 5 metres times width 2 metres times height 4 metres equals 40 metres. This would be shown as 40 metres cubed, as volume is always measured in cubic units, And we represent this by writing a small 3 at the end of the answer. As a formula, our sum would be written as V for volume equals L for length, W for width, and H for height. This actually means volume equals length times width times height. Again, as it's multiplication, you don't have to put your multiplication signs between your letters.